It occurred to me that there are still a number of students and parents who are not certain of how to check progress. And so I decided to create this video to be of assistance. So currently I'm looking at Canvas from a student view. This is the home page. On the left side, you're going to see announcements, modules, grades, and we're going to use grades. When we click on grades, it then takes us to a grade report. You can toggle between each quarter. We're currently in quarter 3. But you'll see a list of assignments for quarter 3 starting at the beginning of the quarter and ending at our current point. So the assignments are listed in descending order. Hopefully you noticed that as I was scrolling through that there were a lot of missing assignments. If you notice that your child has a lot of red missing assignments, then that's your signal that, oh, we need to perhaps carve out time to address the missing work, perhaps contact the teacher for clarification on an assignment, perhaps have a conversation with the student about expectations. But that's it. That's how you're able to check student progress.